Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to check warranty in Galaxy A15 5G. So for checking of the warranty guys, firstly you have to go to settings here, then scroll it down and then tap to about phone. As you guys see here, we have a IMEI number. So just copy any one IMEI number. Okay. Now go to the Google here and search for Samsung warranty check. Okay. So these are all the applications. Just scroll down and then comes to unlock boot. So through this website, we can check the Samsung warranty. Now copy paste the IMEI number here and then tap to I am not robot. Click here. As you guys see, we have all the details of our mobile phone. And if you're talking about the warranty status, so it is active and warranties until October 23, 2025. So that's how guys we can check up the warranty in Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.